Welcome to Polonium Technology. In this video, we're going to explore the BTS7960 43A motor driver module. We'll cover its pinout, working principle, wiring, PWM control, and how to control high-power DC motors safely. So, let's get started. What is the BTS7960 motor driver? So, what exactly is the BTS7960? The BTS7960 is a high-current motor driver module designed for controlling powerful DC motors. It is based on two Infineon BTS7960 half-bridge chips that work together to create a full H-bridge motor controller. It's much more powerful and efficient than drivers like the L298N. Key features of BTS7960. Now, let's look at the important features of this module. Supports motor voltage from 6 volts to 27 volts, can handle up to 43 amps peak current, high-efficiency MOSFET-based design, PWM speed control support, forward and reverse motor control, built-in protection circuits, and supports PWM frequencies up to 25 kHz. This makes it perfect for large motors and heavy load applications.
Now let's understand the module pins. Power connections: B+, motor power positive, B-, motor power ground, M+, motor terminal, M-, motor terminal. Control pins: RPWM, forward PWM input, LPWM, reverse PWM input, REN, enable right side, LEN, enable left side, VCC, 5-volt logic power, GND, logic ground. One very important thing: the motor power ground and microcontroller ground must be connected together.
Connecting BTS7960 with Arduino. Wiring is very simple. Example connections: RPWM to Arduino PWM pin, LPWM to Arduino PWM pin, REN 5 volts, LEN 5 volts, GND, VCC 5 volts, and connect your motor supply directly to the power terminals. Applications of BTS7960. Here are some powerful projects you can build using this driver module: electric vehicles, heavy-duty robots, conveyor systems, CNC machines, motorized gates, robot combat vehicles, smart agriculture machinery, high-powered DIY robotics. So that's the BTS7960 43A motor driver module, a powerful solution for controlling large DC motors safely and efficiently. Whether you're building robots, electric vehicles, or industrial automation systems, this module gives you reliable high-power motor control. Thanks for watching, and happy building!